In order to make your videos interesting, you can add in animations. And to make the process even faster, Camtasia provides you with a bunch of animation presets that you can use. So to do that, you simply go on to the animation pane right over here on the left side, and then you go to the animation tab. And over here, you can see that there's a lot of animation presets that you can use. So let's just go around and use the tilt left. So if I were to click the tilt left and drag it onto the footage right here, you can see that this is how it works like. If I were to move it onto the left, you can see that this is how it works. So you see that there's an arrow onto the place where I dragged and kept the tilt left animation. So if I were to go over here and press the play button, you can see that the tilt left animation just plays out. I can increase out the arrow size to make the animation much more slower, just like this, as you can see. And if I want to make it faster, I can just squeeze it out over here, and then the animation is fast, just like that. I can also go around over here onto the tilt right section, just like that, and add it somewhere else, and this is how it works. So you got the tilt left, and it slowly goes on to the right. Similarly, you can scale down, let's say for example, and that is how it works. So it scales down over here. I cannot add in one animation on top of other, it just has to be linear. And of course, I can use the restore out right here, and then it restores it back just like that. And then I can scale to fit, just like this, and it actually scales to fit. So I can use these animation presets, as you can see, to just add in animations on the go without having to do anything manually, and the video is much more interactive. I can do that with any elements. So let's say, for example, if I want to add an animation onto annotations, I can do that as well. So I got the annotation right here. So I can go around onto animation. I can go to, let's say, for example, tilt onto the left, tilt onto the right, just like that. And then I can do scale up, just like this. And I can do scale to fit. And let's say I can scale down. So what I have is a bunch of movement animation just like this. It moves around onto the side, zooms in, and then zooms out just like that. And that is how it works like. And that is how you can use animation presets inside of Camtasia to make the video much more presentable and interesting to look at. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.